This is the output of the app which is created using the Rails new command. Let us understand the directory structure on the files inside the Rails app1 directory. First, let us look at the public directory and the index.html file. If we look at the contents of the index.html file, we're seeing only the partial contents of the index.html file. This index.html file is actually exactly the same file that you see when you look at your output window or in the browser. You also see the 404.html and 500.html inside the public folder of the Rails and app1 directory. Let us also understand the files. First, look at the README.rdoc file. This is the contents of the README.rdoc. This is basically the README or the help file for this particular app. You can change it as you go on customizing the app. You also have to change this README file because it acts as the help file for this app. Now let's look at the Gemfile. To understand the Gemfile, we have to look at the original Rails new command and its command output. If you look at here, you'll see here fetching source index for HTTPS RubyGems.org, and it also says that it's going to be fetching different gems to be installed and used in this app. So what gems are going to be fetched, which versions is going to be fetched, and from where it is going to be fetched, that information is present in the gem file. Let's understand the gem file a little better. A gem file basically contains a list of gems that needs to be downloaded and installed by bundle install. A gem is nothing but a self-contained module of Ruby code. It's like a library. Somebody has created it and you're going to use it. Let's understand a little bit more. This is a snapshot of the gem files, partial snapshot. The first line, however, says source https rubygems.org. So this line says that you have to fetch, the bundle install has to fetch the gems from this location, that is rubygems.org. Then if you look at further down, if you look at the line 8, it says that which gem to fetch. Here in this case SQLite 3. And further, if you look at line 3, it says which version to fetch, that is 3.2.3 of the Rails gem. So this is a little bit about gem file for you. Now let us do a brief summary. Gemfile contains a list of gems to be downloaded by bundle install. README.rdoc is a README file for the app, and the public directory contains public HTML files like index.html, 404.html, and 500.html. The app directory contains the core application code, includes models, views, controller. We will learn about models, view, controller a little while in the module. The config directory contains all the configurations related to the app. We'll learn about config also in a very short while.